Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart wireless doorbells that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Let'swill IP66 wireless doorbell, a solid option for those who need durability and versatility. This doorbell boasts a 1,000 feet wireless range, making it ideal for large homes, classrooms, or offices. What sets this model apart is its IP66 waterproof and dustproof rating, meaning it can handle extreme weather conditions. It's built for long-lasting reliability, and its battery life of up to 3 years ensures minimal maintenance. Design-wise, the Let'swill doorbell has a modern and compact look, with a strong build quality that feels premium despite its lightweight design. With 56 chime options, including popular tunes like Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday, and a maximum volume of 115 dB, it offers plenty of customization. Plus, there's a silent mode where only the LED flashes, a thoughtful feature for households with sleeping children or sensitive pets. While it scores high on durability and ease of installation, the absence of advanced smart features like app connectivity or motion detection may disappoint tech-savvy users. However, for its intended purpose, this is a dependable choice. Pros include its robust weather resistance, long range, and variety of chimes. Cons? It lacks some of the extra features that come standard in more advanced models. Coming in at number 4, we have the Secrui wireless doorbell with 2 receivers. This model is perfect for larger homes thanks to its dual receiver setup, which ensures you hear the chime no matter where you are. With a wireless range of up to 1,000 feet, it offers reliable connectivity and a hassle-free installation process. The 58 optional chimes and adjustable volume levels from 0 to 120 decibels make it highly customizable, and the memory function ensures your settings are retained even after a power outage. The design is simple yet functional, with a sleek black finish. The transmitter is waterproof and durable, so it's well-suited for outdoor use. The colorful LED flash adds an extra layer of alertness, which can be especially useful for the hearing impaired. This doorbell also supports expandable functionality, allowing you to connect up to 20 accessories, great for multi-room or multi-building setups. On the downside, the design is fairly basic and may not appeal to those looking for a more aesthetically sophisticated option. Additionally, while it offers great value for its price, it doesn't include advanced smart home features. This is a fantastic choice for those seeking a straightforward, effective, and scalable solution. Pros: long range, dual receivers, and customizable chimes. Cons: basic design and no smart features. In the third spot, we have another SECRUI product, the Secrui wireless doorbell with a single receiver. What makes this model stand out is its combination of simplicity and performance. The 1,000 feet wireless range ensures you won't miss any visitors, and the installation process is as easy as plugging in the receiver and mounting the transmitter. With 58 chime options and 5 volume levels, you can personalize it to suit your preferences. And yes, it even includes festive tones like a Christmas ringtone. The design is compact and subtle, making it a great fit for most home aesthetics. It's built with durable ABS material, and the IP55 waterproof rating means it will hold up well in various weather conditions. The transmitter is energy efficient, and the included CR2032 battery is designed to last up to 3 years. The LED indicator is a nice touch for visual notifications, especially in quieter settings. One drawback is the single receiver, which may not be sufficient for larger homes unless you purchase additional units. Also, while it offers dependable performance, it doesn't have the expandability of its sibling model. Overall, this is a great option for smaller homes or apartments. Pros: easy setup, durable build, and affordable pricing. Cons: limited expandability and a single receiver. At number 2, we have the SECRUI wireless doorbell with 2 plug-in receivers. This model is designed for households that need wide coverage and reliable performance. With a 1,000-foot range and 2 receivers, it ensures you never miss any visitors. Like other SECRUI models, It offers 58 chimes and adjustable volume levels up to 110 dB, with the added convenience of a memory function to retain your settings after a power outage. The matte black design is understated and modern, and the IP55 rated transmitter is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The LED indicator provides a visual cue for the hearing impaired or in loud environments. It's also energy efficient, with a 3-year battery life for the transmitter. The key advantage of this model is its dual receiver setup, which provides excellent coverage. However, it lacks some of the smart features seen in premium models, such as motion detection or app integration. This is a fantastic pick for those who prioritize simplicity and performance. Pros: dual receivers, reliable range, and weather resistance. Cons: no smart features or app connectivity. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the AVANTEK wireless doorbell D3C. This model is packed with features, making it the best overall choice for most users. With an impressive 1,300 feet range, it outclasses the competition in terms of connectivity. The kit includes 2 plug-in receivers and 1 transmitter, ensuring you'll hear your doorbell from anywhere in your home. It also boasts 52 chime options and 5 volume levels, with a maximum volume of 115 dB. The AVANTEK D3C is built to last, with an IP55 waterproof rating and a durable, weather-resistant design. The transmitter uses ultra-low power and has a battery life of up to 3 years, while the memory function saves your settings even after a power outage. The design is sleek and modern, and installation is simple with both adhesive and screw-in options provided. What makes this doorbell stand out is its premium feel at a budget-friendly price point of $17.94. While it doesn't have smart features or app compatibility, its expandability allows you to build a custom alert system for your home. Pros: superior range, durable build, and excellent value. Cons: no smart features. But at this price, it's hard to complain. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.